Hey guys, today I'm checking out the MEGAWHEELS D2 electric dirt bike. And the big question is simple, is it actually worth your money? So right off the bat, this thing feels way more serious than your typical entry-level electric dirt bike. You're getting a 3,550 peak motor, around 40 mph top speed, and honestly, that torque hits harder than I expected when you look at the spec sheet. It's got that instant electric pull that makes off-road riding feel super responsive. Battery-wise, you're looking at a 48V26AH setup, and real-world range claims go up to about 50 plus miles. Now, in reality, you're probably not hitting that full number if you're riding hard, but it's still solid for trail sessions or weekend rides. What I like is the build, hydraulic brakes, decent suspension, and a frame that actually feels ready for dirt and rough terrain. It's not a full-size motocross bike, but it also doesn't feel like a toy. Now the downsides? It's heavy, and assembly can be a bit of a hassle out of the box. Also, don't expect pro-level performance. It's more of a fun off-road machine than a serious race bike. So yeah, worth it? If you want fun, power, and electric simplicity, I'd say yes.